In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute a school group. If your notifications are getting a little overwhelming, muting a specific group is a simple way to stay focused without leaving the community. You'll still be able to check in whenever you want, but your phone or inbox won't be buzzing for every update. Start by opening Skool and heading straight into the group you want to mute. Make sure you're inside that exact group, not just on your main feed. If you're in multiple groups, double-check the group name and banner so you're adjusting the right one. This matters because the notification options you'll change are tied to the group you're currently viewing. Next, look to the top right corner and click your profile picture to open the menu. From there, choose Settings. Your profile menu is where Skool keeps your personal controls, and Settings is where you can adjust how the platform talks to you. If you don't see the menu at first, take a second to scroll or expand the window. It's always tucked up in that top corner. Inside Settings, go to Notifications. This is your control center for alerts. Skool organizes these to make it easy to tune your experience without affecting other groups. You won't be turning off everything across your account, just the noise coming from the group you're currently in. In the notifications list, you'll see options related to that group. Toggle off the types you don't want, like posts, comments, likes, or event reminders. Think about what you actually need to see. If you only care about big updates, leave posts on and turn off likes and comment alerts. If events are cluttering your calendar, switch off event reminders. You can mix and match. There's no need to mute everything unless you truly want silence. Each toggle is immediate, so you don't need to save anything. Turning these toggles off reduces or stops alerts from that group, depending on what you disable. You'll still be able to open the group anytime and catch up on your own schedule, and you can come back to the same notification settings to turn things back on later. If you notice fewer pings right away, that means it's working. And if something feels too quiet or too loud, revisit the list and fine-tune it until it fits your workflow. That's all there is to it. You've muted a Skool group without leaving it, keeping your attention where it matters while staying connected on your terms.